Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from facefood.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make these pistachio chocolate chip cookies. These aren't your average cookies. They're full of pistachios, they're nutty, buttery, and so delicious. And I'm going to show you how to make these bakery style cookies right at home. Alright, so let's start by browning the butter. Once this is all done, I'm just going to set it aside to cool for a bit, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge or freezer to just re-solidify. Then I'm going to roast the pistachios. I just layer them up in a single layer. You can see I removed the shells from them, and these are like the sweet pistachios. Anyways, I toast them up for around 10 minutes or until I smell them at around 400 degrees. Then I can start creaming the brown butter and then the sugars as well. Then add in the eggs and mix that for a bit before adding in the dry ingredients, including the chocolates and pistachios. Give that a mix, and it will seem like the mixture is crumbly and dry. What I usually do for that is just add a tiny bit of milk. Give it a mix and it'll be perfect. Right, and then I use a cookie scoop or ice cream scoop to portion out the dough, and then I top them with even more chocolate chips. Bake them at 350 for around 10 minutes. Let them cool on the pan for a bit, just a few minutes, and then I just move them to a wire rack to cool even more. Okay, these look amazing as they are. They're gonna get even better. We're gonna drizzle on some melted chocolate. All right, and I'm also going to add on top of that some chopped roasted pistachios. I like to do this because it not only looks better, but it also helps people know what's in the cookie. And at that point, you can pretty much dig in. You can let them cool a little more if you'd like, but they're pretty much ready to go at this point. And these are our pistachio chocolate chip cookies. You saw how easy they are to make, and they are just so tasty and just full of flavor. It's so balanced. The nuttiness from the pistachio and brown butter mixed with the sweetness of the chocolate, it's just really well balanced. If you love pistachios and chocolate, this is definitely the cookie for you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel for more great videos on the way, and go to the blog facefood.com. The full written recipe and details will be all on there. So if you want to give this a try, go to facefood.com. This is definitely worth a try. I promise you that. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.